The Seven Dwarfs and the Secret of Harmony Hill. Once upon a time, hidden behind the clouds and the silver mist, stood a beautiful place called Harmony Hill. It was a land filled with crystal clear streams, singing birds, and colorful trees that glowed in the moonlight. At the very top of Harmony Hill lived 7 cheerful dwarfs, each with a special talent: Brillo the builder, Tinko the tinkerer, Luma the light keeper, Fizzo the farmer, Scribo the writer, Bello the baker, Echo the musician. They weren't rich, but they were happy and helpful, living in a cozy stone cottage they had built together. Every week, the dwarfs hiked down to the village in the valley to share what they made: bread, tools, lanterns, and songs. In return, the villagers shared fruit, wool, and stories. But one day, something changed. A thick, dark fog rolled down the mountain, and a grumpy troll named Grom moved into a cave nearby. He was lonely and angry, and he shouted at anyone who came near. The villagers grew scared and stopped climbing the hill. The dwarfs missed their friends, and their supplies began to run low. "We have to do something," said Brillo. "But what if he yells at us?" whispered Bello. "What if he just needs music?" Echo suggested. So the dwarfs came up with a plan. Together, they built a beautiful lantern of harmony, a glowing, magical lamp powered by teamwork and kindness. Each dwarf added something special. Brillo crafted the frame, Tinko made gears to make it spin, Luma added light crystals, Fizzo carved leaves around the base, Scribo wrote a message of peace, Bello placed a warm cinnamon loaf inside, Echo added a tiny music box that played a gentle tune. Then, bravely, they brought the lantern to Grom's cave. At first, the troll growled, "Go away, I don't need friends." But as the lantern glowed, the music played, and the smell of cinnamon filled the air, something amazing happened. Grom's grumpy face softened. He sat down. He listened. Scribo stepped forward. "We know how it feels to be alone, but you don't have to be." Grom looked at them and blinked. "No one's ever brought me a gift before." The dwarf smiled. "Well, now you have 7. From that day on, Grom helped the dwarfs keep the path to Harmony Hill clear. He even baked bread with Bello and learned to whistle with Echo. Soon, the villagers returned, and Harmony Hill was once again full of laughter, music, and light. Moral of the story: even the grumpiest heart can change with kindness and teamwork. Everyone has something special to share.